one into this one. Oh, Sour Jack. She's just been telling us all about camp.
Squish, squish with the little green frog. One day, squish, squish with the little green frog. And his eyes are golden and or because got by a dog. We are the gopher girls. We really go for guys, but they don't go for us. We wonder why.
Oh no! I missed it!
What?
Oh no! Oh no! Hey Jack, will you turn that down a little bit, please?
Yeah.
Hi!
Really gross. You can get me. I'm at the park.
Yep, I am on my way to get you right now. You've got Hallie too?
Okay. Yeah, Hallie's here too. I'm not like sure where she is. She's in the assembly line somewhere.
Okay, I'll come get you. I'm on my way right now.
Okay. Bye, Mommy.
Bye, love you. Yay! The girls are home from camp. I'm gonna go pick them up right now. Yay! Okay. I'll be back. Well, I got the girls, but they're both so tired and not feeling super good, so we'll talk to them in a little bit. Maybe a little too much sun, but this young lad is gonna help me unload all their stuff.
I'm tired.
You're gonna help me because there is a ton of stuff. Dang-o. Yep. He's gonna help me. Thanks, buddy boy. Meh.
It's not really the weight, it's like the size.
There you go. Can you take that in the house?
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. I'll grab this behemoth. Maybe. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's heavy. Can you carry it?
Let's go.
It's the size of you. Yeah, just put it in the living room, would you please?
Thank you.
Yeah. Are you man enough to carry this? Ew, girl. Lovely. Miley's feeling better. I think being in the cool house is helping. And she's handing out candy. To that one. And to this one. Oh, Sour Jack. She's just been telling us all about camp.
I just put like 5 Sour Patch Kids in my mouth.
5? That's crazy. Yeah, she's been talking to us for about an hour. Maybe.
In an hour?
No, it hasn't been
This
an hour
one's
yet. About camp and all the fun things that she did.
Yeah, I was really, really sick.
Yeah, she was not feeling good.
I woke up in my bed like sweating and like shaking. I couldn't stop shaking and it was really scary. And then I was like, positive attitudes always help when you're sick to make you feel a little bit better.
Mm-hmm.
And so I was trying to be happy and get through it. And it didn't work. I think the movement made it worse.
Yeah.
But I'm better now.
Yay, but you're home now.
I'm out of high altitude in the sun and I haven't showered yet. My sister's in the shower.
Hallie's in the shower. We'll get Hallie's rundown. There was a skit involved where she had a beard and she got convicted of being a sweet and spicy chicken. And
So our ward at Girls Camp, we have a tradition of doing funny skits every year.
mm-hmm.
And Summer said, we were talking about skits and I like gleeked on her on accident. And she said that next year we need to get like old-fashioned headgear with braces
Mm-hmm.
for part of the skit and have the person with headgear like talking to someone.
Yeah.
And there's someone with a spray bottle standing next to them just squirting stuff out so it looks like it's coming out of their mouth, and then by the end of the conversation the person's soaked.
Ew, gross.
And, like, the struggle of braces. And we actually acted out in the cabin with my friend Francis' little squirt bottle. It was really funny. This is
So-
my food.
That's your food?
Want to see inside it?
Yes. Food. Whoa. That's all from your secret
There's
sister?
almond joys at the bottom.
I want to eat all
Of
of them.
course.
I also have like bug spray and stuff in here that I didn't want to like spill in my suitcase.
Oh, that sounds like a good idea. I really want pizza now.
I really love pizza now.
Yeah, so they've got a bucket and they still have their stuff.
As Hallie gets out of the shower, we'll get her point of view on it. Apparently, I need to talk to her about going hiking.
So I have a funny story. It's not a funny story. I hated it, but Mom loved it. So one morning, one of my leaders came to wake us up, and she's like, "Come on in, girls. Don't forget to read your scriptures." And it sounded like my mom. And so I got all excited and I sat up and it was just my leader and I cried a little bit and I was really sad and Ava freaked out. She's like, "Why is your mom here?" I was like, "She's not." It was really sad. And Sister Phil's like, "Why are you glaring at me?" I'm like, "I'm sorry." just hoping you were my mom, but you're not.
Maybe you're my mom, but you're not.
Yeah. I'm
Aw.
sad.
Yeah, that made
I
me.
really miss my mom.
Oh, yay. And she's like, "I don't have an older sister. It makes me sad." And I'm like, "But you have me, but you have me." And she's like, "Yeah."
I like having my mom.
Yay.
And it was like, it made me sad because a lot of my friends' moms were there as like extra leaders.
Oh, really?
And so they were all hugging their moms, telling moms about their day, and I'm sitting there, I'm like, I am alone. Can we just drive home for like 10 minutes so I can just go blah, 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 and then we can drive back? Is that okay? Ugh, I miss it. And then after testimony, I was like, I even miss Jack and Maddie. And Brianna's like, "Whoa, younger siblings. Whoa, are you okay?" I'm just kidding. I love you guys. I
Aww.
love you, Chris. Did he get a haircut?
She missed you. No. Not while you were gone.
You got,
Oh yeah, he got it before. It just looks longer. I don't know how you cut it longer. Anyway.
Well, now that the girls are home, they need to sign the puzzle. She has the marker? Oh, wait. Your dad signed it. You can sign it anywhere where it's white. We just don't want signing on the colored part, so.
But what if I just cross over a teeny bit, just like, psh.
Sure. Okay,
Should
so
I sign
here's,
it Miss
look,
Mai or
look.
Miley?
Look. Go. So there's Maddie's, and your dad is down there, and mine's right there, and Jack's right there. So wherever
I think we should put it somewhere on the top.
wherever you want to sign it.
Right there.
Okay, go for it.
Should I sign Miss Mai or just Miley?
Miley would be fine, I think.
Okay. There's a million different ways to write my name. I broke it. I apologize. Okay.
There's only 4 letters.
Oh. Yeah, I know, but Maddie, you moved it. Sorry. I moved
Oh
it.
no! I moved it. Yay!
I feel like I should like swirl up the Y a little more. It looks a little sad. There we go.
Okay, so Miley told us about the skit that she was in. What did you do? Were you part of the skit too? What was your part?
A singing angel.
A singing angel?
This girl was getting bullied,
Uh-huh.
and we did a parody of Moana.
Mm-hmm.
And we sang to her like, "You're daughter of God," blah blah blah. And then she would get all tough again and carry on with her life.
Aw.
That was cool.
So like we'd all have to freeze on stage, and Hallie and 2 other girls would come sing,
Yeah.
and Hallie was laughing in the middle of singing because none of us could hold still.
Okay. I kept on looking at her beard and I burst out laughing.
No one gives a shit.
Had a beard this long, and she was having to.
And everyone said I looked like my dad.
Oh, really?
I almost ate the peel though.
Oh, don't do
But
that.
I
That's
walked over
gross.
and one of our neighbors, she was like, "Wow, with that, I could really see your dad in you right now." I was like, "Thanks." She's like, "Don't stroke it, that's weird." I'm like,
So I
but
keep
I
stroking.
literally got beard hair up my nose and I braided that a mustache part. And I got it up my nose and in my mouth and I got stuck in my braces.
Oh, dang.
I feel bad for people with beards. It's disgusting. I know mine was fake, but still.
But still. Did you get candy also?
For my secret sister, yes.
Ooh.
Melted.
The girls have a song for me. For us. For us.
It's our roll call song.
Roll
So
call.
they'd go through all the groups of girls and we'd have to like stand up and sing or like do a catchphrase or something.
Mm-hmm.
But I have to remember how it starts. Whisper it. Oh, okay. Ready? Hold on. Just gotta chew.
No, I can listen with it.
That was sweet. No, you got it. I know you can choke on caramel.
Choo choo choo.
Ready? I'm waking up, sweat, dirt, and bugs. I wipe my brow and I forgot my brush. I'm breathing in more flippin' dust. Maples. That was our roll call.
Yay!
It's really dusty up there because you walk on the hike. We made this after the hike. You'd hike and you'd step and you'd get a little dust
They
cloud.
said it was a walk.
It was
Yeah.
5-mile walk. It was really exciting though. And so yeah, we sang that
It was
every
really
time.
dusty.
But we did it today and we're all like really tired. Tess wanted me last night, all that stuff. We're all crying and all that stuff because it's our last day of girls camp. And we were all sad and stuff last night. And so we wake up this morning and we go to the devotional and like when we do the girls camp songs and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
We're sitting there and Sister Young, one of our neighbors, is laughing so because she looks at everyone and we're all like staring off into space while they're doing the girls camp song. No one's really paying attention. There's like, her daughter was the only one standing up in our ward doing the hands actions. And she was laughing so hard, her face was bright red, she was crying. She's like, oh my gosh, you guys are zombies. And we all just kind of like stare at her, we're like, yeah, we are. And it's like 8 o'clock in the morning and we should all be up and hyped up because we woken up so early every morning that we're all like, woo, Energy Girls Camp is the last day. So we're all like, I'm here, I guess. It's great. So we sang that song and it's funny.
I would also sing at breakfast.
We sang at breakfast. We sang at breakfast?
Mm-hmm.
When did we sing at
Like,
breakfast?
yeah, we just had a bunch of rock songs and we knew we were ready to go home.
Yeah.
So that's ready to find quick.
And one of them, they did, we should do the Brookside second one, Hallie. The YCLs. YCL is youth camp leader. I'm going to be one next year. I'm excited. What? Theirs was really funny. I just remembered. Are you ready, girls?
Aye, YCLs.
Oh, who lives in the cabin the farthest away? Brookside second. Because they're so excited about camp that they can't stay away.
Brookside second.
Brookside second. What's the other one?
Who has a mission? Oh, we all just adore.
That was the one day the bishops were there. But it was so funny. They're like, who lives in the cabin the farthest away? Brookside second. They had to walk like half a mile to camp.
Oh, sad day.
And then we had to drive up. We like used a car. We didn't want to walk up there because we were in charge of cleaning their bathrooms. So we had to drive up there. We're lazy.
And then at the skits, they were all Brookside second was
Okay,
like,
I'm really gonna shower now.
boo, because another state took their song.
Brookside third took their song and it made a little war. Ooh, I hiccuped. War in between the two words.
Some people
It was
were
funny,
singing it along with them, but saying Brookside second. Then some people were going, boo, just stop it.
Oh, sad day.
Some conflicts, but it was amazing.
So your experience with camp was good?
Me to go to home alone.
Also, you know the Noah's Ark song where you're like, sorry, what are you talking? Oh, the one part where like they came off by threes is all because of birds and beesies.
Mm-hmm.
It's like the beehives were so shocked when we sang it the first time. The beehives are like the first and second year, so they haven't
They're
been
like
camp a lot.
12,
They're like
12 and 13 years
This one's
old.
the second year, but all the other beehives are first years, and their faces were like, what the heck is happening? And the little green frog, where it's like, with the little green frog one day,
Mhm.
with the little green frog, honk honk with the big red truck
One day, honk honk,
with the big red truck,
squish squish with
the little green frog one day, squish squish with the little green frog, and his eyes are golden and over because he got by a dog.
The poor little beehives were like,
what is happening? I've never heard this in my life. Maddie Mo. You guys know Maddie Mo. She had never heard that song either, so we did it and she was like, what is wrong with you? Oh, it was so great.
cheesy camp songs.
Oh, cheesy
Yep.
camp songs. Or, we are the gopher girls. We really go for guys, but they don't go for us. We wonder why.
It's time for this pretty face to sign this. So you can sign it wherever. Just don't sign it over the attractions. Like try to keep it on the white. So there's the edges. There's those up there.
I kind of want to do it by my favorite.
Where do you want to put your name there, girly goose?
If you want, you can put like somewhere right here, but small. Ooh, one made it. Ooh, that one is too. Ooh.
Yeah. Cute. All right, it's all signed. Now we can break it apart and put it in the box. Mark, get set, and take it apart.
Me and Jack finished this.
Whoa! My name is staying together.
Let's not lose any pieces now.
Puzzle karaoke.
Whoa, that's like cool. This could be like an ASMR video, just listen to the sound. Okay guys, hello, I'm here. We are going on a little adventure. We're going to fireworks with friends. I'm excited. I actually don't know where the fireworks are going to be or anything like that, but we're gonna be somewhere, you know. It's gonna have to be somewhere if you want to help in, so. We're here.
I'm not empty-handed.
We're here. I'm fixing on my braces, but you guys can ignore that because I don't know what it is. We're here, and the Tannerites are over there, across the parking lot, coming this direction, I believe. Here we go. Hi, Dad.
Hi.
He's unloading stuff out the trunk.
Yeah.
So, here we go. Look, we got the crew. Got Allie over there. I'm carrying stuff or else I would be over there. Hello, Dad. And there's food trucks also. Look at that. Well, pow. Music's over there somewhere. And there's Mommy. Mommy!
One of these guys.
Yes. Hi, Danielle.
Okay.
We haven't seen the Tannerites in ages, so here they are. That one is sleeping.
There's free cookies. I ate my cookie and it was delicious. And then I got water bottles.
It's hot.
They're handing out water bottles because it's 1,000,000 degrees outside.
So hot.
Here, if I sit in your chair.
We brought it for you. It is your royal throne. Chug-a-lug, chug-a-lug, chug-a. Oh my gosh, he's thirsty. I think we forgot to tell you where we were. We are in a neighboring city, and they have the awesomest pyrotechnic show to music that I've ever seen ever. And it's really super awesome. So they got like a concert beforehand and then fireworks. So we're just hanging out with the Tanners and having fun and sitting in the shade and drinking water and eating and having a good time. Let's see. Shade. I'm helping, Hallie.
No!
But Hallie, I'm helping.
No!
Look at this sweet woman making us delicious sandwiches. That one's giant.
It's the size of your face.
Holy cow.
That's mine.
That's a big one.
We've got grape tossing. Did you get it? Yay! Hallie!
Nothing's wrong.
So make sure you run up.
She's having a laugh attack.
Number's gonna be 268.
Mom, you having fun?
This is the moment you've waited for. You smoke something through the floor. That you can't.
We love that thing. That pyro musical is so cool every year. That beats the 4th of July every year.
It really does.
4th of July fireworks are meh, but the ones we go to anyway, I'm sure there's awesome ones somewhere, but where we go, they're not that awesome, but man, that's cool every year. There's one more coming that's Salem that is pretty cool too. We'll go to that one too, but that we really, really enjoy going to as a family and making memories, but that place is cool. You walk in, they like hand out free water to everybody. And then they hand out glow sticks, they had free cookies, so it's like so much fun. And the kids just love having that big wide open space to run around and play and dance, and super fun.
Greatest showman performances.
Greatest showman performances. So it was really cool. Thanks for coming along with us, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Be the good.
Be the good.
Good night.
Bye.
Miley, what do you think about all these manly games?
They're huge.
You guys are big.
Yeah. And they're wearing skirts. Nothing like a bunch of buff men wearing skirts.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Right? We're gonna go check our family color, and then we'll wear our skirts next year.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll wear them today.
You want it today?
I'll look like a
Wear your
schoolgirl.
skirt.